How to add an audio visualizer effect in CapCut. If you want to add an audio visualizer effect to your video, this video will show you how to create one in CapCut. First, open CapCut and click Create Project. Now click Import in the top left corner and select the video you want to edit. Click Open to add it to your project. Next, click the plus icon on the imported video to add it to the timeline. Now go to Library in the top left corner and select Green Screen. Find Audio Spectrum Green Screen and click the plus icon to add it to your project. Once the audio spectrum is added, select it and click Remove Background. Next, select Chroma Key and tap the color picker or pencil icon. Use the color picker to select the green area of the audio spectrum. Adjust the cleanup and edge settings to remove any remaining green background and make the visualizer blend into your video. Finally, click Play to preview the result and make sure the audio visualizer looks the way you want. That's how you can add an audio visualizer in CapCut using a green screen audio spectrum effect. If you find this video helpful, click on like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut tips and tutorials.